The NCP1937 evaluation board integrates power factor correction and quasi-resonant flyback functionality necessary to implement a compact and highly efficient switched mode power supply for an adapter application. The PFC stage exhibits near unity power factor while operating in a critical conduction mode with maximum frequency clamp. The circuit incorporates all the features necessary for building a robust and compact PFC stage while minimizing the number of external components. The equipment we'll be using today will be an AC power source capable of outputting between 0 and 265 volts AC. And that will be connected into the back of our power meter, which will be used to measure both our power factor and our input power in watts. And that will be connected to both the neutral and live wire of the input terminal blocks on our NCP1937 board. It should be noted that our earth terminal, the earth ground terminal in the center, is not used in this instance. And then our output terminals, both the red positive and the black negative wire, are going to be connected to both a voltmeter and an ammeter. And then finally, the output will be connected to our programmable electronic load. So to begin our test, we're going to set our electronic load to 0.5 amps and turn it on. And then we're going to set our AC source to 115 volts AC and turn it on. After waiting approximately 10 seconds, we make sure that our output voltage is approximately 20 volts DC at our 0.5 amps. Next, we're going to set our electronic load to 4.25 amps. And once again, we're just going to make sure that our output is approximately 20 volts DC at our 4.25 amps. And we can see that our power factor is above 0.98. And we can also see that our input power is around 93 watts. And when used in calculating our efficiency, that gives us an efficiency of approximately 90%. So next, we're going to adjust our electronic load back to 0.5 amps. And then we'll turn it off. Here we can see that our output voltage is slowly decaying. It will decay down to 15 volts DC before we turn our electronic load back on. It should be noted here that all of these tests can be done at anywhere between 90 to 265 volts AC input power, and also they can be done at half load as well. And at this point, we're going to turn our electronic load back on, and once again verify that we have our output DC voltage of approximately 20 volts DC at about 0.5 amps. This concludes our test of the NCP1937 combination PFC and quasi-resonant flyback controller evaluation board. For more information, please go to www.onsemi.com or visit an authorized distributor.